Hello, Contemporary Math Apps. So what I wanted to touch base with you guys on is I had a couple of questions on number 13, 14, and 15. For 13, 14, and 15, it's asking you to choose whether you use law of cosines or law of sines. So with that formula sheet, if we have two angles and two sides, so my angles are going to be the Greek letters, and my sides are going to be the lowercase letters. I use the law of sines. If I have three sides and one angle, I use the law of cosines. So if we come back here, we have 1, 2, 3 sides, and we have one angle. We're always going to call that angle alpha to make our life easy. Across from alpha is lowercase a, and the other two sides are b and c. We write down our formula that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of alpha. When I do my d squared, because a is equal to d, plus b squared, so 10 squared, plus 17 squared, minus the product of 2 times 10 times 17 times the cosine of 80. So if I go to my calculator, 2 times 10 times 17 times the cosine of 80 degrees, make sure you're in degrees, that's going to equal 59.04. When I minus a negative 59.04, that's going to become plus 59.04. So then if I do 100 plus that 289 plus 59.04, I am going to get 448.04, and then I need to take the square root of that answer, and that's going to get me 21.17. Similarly, we're going to use that same law of cosines, but we're going to already have that alpha solved for. Alpha equals the cosine inverse of, in the numerator, b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. My alpha is my angle, my a is the 60 that's across from him. B is 55.2 feet, c is 51.6 feet. So try it on this guy. I have 1, 2, 3 sides and one angle. My alpha is going to be 153 degrees, 20 minutes. You're going to have to make that into a decimal degree or use your calculator. A is going to be x, and then B you can call 8.76, and C you can call 8.28. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great day.